Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm filming a what I eat in a day. So in the morning I usually have a glass of amla juice with some water, and then after a while it's breakfast time, so I had avlaki or poha which was made by my mom. For this I usually add a glass of milk. And then I decided to drink some coconut water. For lunch I decided to make methi pulao. So I'll be sharing the recipe now. For this I took a bowl of pudina or mint leaves. Then I added in the two green chili. Added to the grinder and made a thick paste out of this, adding in a little bit of water. And then I also added a ginger piece. Now while cooking, for the tempering I added some ghee, which is 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this I added a tablespoon of jeera, and then some cloves, a bay leaf, and some cardamom, and a cinnamon stick also. For this, then after the masalas turned aromatic, I added in the onions. I used about 1 to 1.5 of a large onion. And after the onions turned translucent, I added in tomatoes. I used about 2 tomatoes, which are like small size. And I'll be cooking this until it turns soft. And now I'm adding in the pudina paste, which I showed you earlier. I will be cooking this until the oil separates. Now I'm adding in the methi leaves. I've washed it and cut it into small pieces. And for this I'm adding in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder on low flame, and then a teaspoon of coriander powder and a pinch of haldi, then jeera powder. And to this I'll be adding a cup of washed green peas. Now I had soaked this rice for about half an hour, and I'm adding this into the mixture. Now I'm adding the salt, which is like according to your taste. I'm covering and cooking this, and obviously I added some water to this, which I didn't film and didn't tell you guys. So for I've taken about 1.5 cup of rice, so I've added in about 3 cups of water, and this is how it turned out. I'm serving this with a dollop of curd. You can serve it with raita as well. I didn't make raita, I'm too lazy for that. So I had this with plain curd. And since I had made so much of it, I just had this for dinner as well. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.